everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious crab cake sliders, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the sauce. In a small bowl, add 2/3 cup of mayo, a 1/2 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay. Then, once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. When you have finished making your sauce, set it to the side. Next, in a small pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add a 1/4 cup of diced onions and a 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers. Lightly season the onions and bell peppers with salt and pepper and then saute them for about 4 to 5 minutes. When you finish sauteing your veggies, set them to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of Old Bay hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1/4 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 beaten egg. Once you've added all your ingredients, mix everything together. Once everything has been mixed together, add 1 pound of lump crab meat, a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, the diced onions and bell peppers from before, and a 1/4 cup of green onions. Now fold everything together until well combined. When you're finished, you can begin preparing the crab cakes. Next, add a good amount of your crab cake mixture, about 1 or 2 spoonfuls, into a small circular cookie cutter. While adding the crab cake mixture, gently press it down and shape it. Then, remove the circular cookie cutter. Repeat this process until you run out of the crab mixture. When you have finished shaping all of your crab cakes, cover them and place them in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, your crab cakes should be firm enough to keep their shape, which means we can now coat the crab cakes in breadcrumbs. On a plate, add a good amount of breadcrumbs. Then coat your crab cakes in the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs will create a crust that will help keep the crab cake together when you're cooking it in the pan. Repeat this process until you've coated all of your crab cakes. After coating all of your crab cakes, set them to the side. In a large pan over medium heat, add a generous amount of olive oil. Once the pan is hot, place 3 or 4 crab cakes into the pan. Then cook your crab cakes for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Once your crab cakes have almost finished cooking, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter and baste your crab cakes in the butter. When your crab cakes have finished cooking, take them out of the pan. Repeat this process until you've cooked all of your crab cakes. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add butter. Once the butter is melted, add brioche slider buns into the pan. Toast your buns until they are golden brown. When you finish toasting the slider buns, take them out of the pan. Now that everything has been cooked and prepared, you can now assemble your crab cake sliders. First, place your buns on a plate. Then on the bottom bun, add the sauce, lettuce, tomato, onion, sliced avocados, and the crab cake. Then add a bit of sauce on the top bun and place it on top. Place a toothpick into your slider, and after that you are all done. Then repeat this process to assemble the rest of your crab cake sliders. And this is the finished result! These crab cake sliders were so freaking delicious! I am super happy with how they came out. The sauce, the crab cakes, the avocado, everything about it was just so good. Plus, I'm really happy with how they look. They look like tiny Krabby Patties! These sliders would make a really good appetizer, or you could just eat them for dinner. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!